So you want to create professional thumbnails like big creators, but you don't have that much resources and that much skills, because we know well those creators have dedicated team for their thumbnails, for their video editing and for their channel management. But we as a small creator have not so much resources, so much skill. We handle everything by ourselves. And we know well thumbnail is one of the most important thing to get views. So don't worry, today I will show you a platform which is a complete ecosystem to create a thumbnail. This is just not a tool, it is a complete ecosystem where we can create any type of thumbnail within seconds. I will show you how you can create thumbnails like big creators without having so much resources or without having so much skills. So let's dive into it. So this is the platform I'm talking about. This is not just a tool. This is complete ecosystem to create any thumbnail out there. The platform name is YourThumbnailAi, and let me use it and show you how you can create. So there are multiple approaches by which you can create thumbnail. So firstly, suppose you have one topic and you want to create thumbnail for that topic. So you can go on YouTube and take inspiration from others' channel. Like let me go on Ali Abdal's channel, because Ali Abdal creates high catching, high CTR thumbnails which has a very high CTR. You can say his all thumbnails are quite amazing. So suppose I want to create thumbnail like this one, stop learning, okay? My topic will be something different. But suppose I want to create thumbnail like this, okay? So what I'll do, I'll just copy its URL. I will copy it from here and I will go back on my platform, and from here in clone thumbnail section I'll paste that URL, and here I can upload my image, and here I can write what I want to modify in that image. Like I can provide my face in front of his face, and I can provide my text also. So let me show you. So I will just upload my picture here. You can upload any picture. Just a second. Yeah. So I'm giving this one. Okay. You can give any pic of yours. And here I'll simply tell, I'm just replacing face. Okay. I'm not replacing text and all. But you can replace text as per your topic. So I will tell it, replace the person image with my picture. I have written this much only, and just press this clone and modify button, and let's see the magic. Within seconds we can create high quality thumbnails by taking inspiration from Ali Abdal's thumbnail. Let's see the magic. So you can see this is the new thumbnail I created within seconds. It replaced Ali Abdal's face with my face, and we can see text here. Even we can change text also. And you can see the output. We created this thumbnail within seconds. I just provided one image and it replaced Ali Abdal's face with my face. So this is one way to create any thumbnail. By taking inspirations of others' viral thumbnail, we can create our thumbnail. And let me show you other stuff on this platform. So this is one thing. Another thing is create from scratch. Let me show you. So I'll just upload one picture. Let's say, again I'm uploading this one because I have not much image on my laptop. And here let's say I'm defining my topic, like how to learn agentic AI in 2026. Okay, suppose this is my topic, and here there is one magic button which will write a well structured prompt for you for thumbnail. Let me show you. I'll just click on this. It will define every elements of thumbnail, like visuals, text elements, main subjects, mode, background, everything. This prompt will this magic button will define and create a well structured prompt. Let's see, just wait. So you can see it gave a well structured prompt by defining every elements of thumbnail. Like firstly it defined main subjects, then visual style, then composition, then text elements, then mode. What will be the mode of that thumbnail? You can go through it. This is very well structured prompt, and you can see text elements here. There will be text written like agentic AI. There will be written critical your 2026 roadmap, and there will be written critical guide. And even you can change this text, whatever is written there, and you can generate. But I don't want to generate with this prompt. I want to generate thumbnail with ready-made tested prompt which are working fine already. So for that, what I'll do, I'll go to prompt library, and here you will see ready-made prompts for thumbnails. You can get any prompt as per your topic, as per your thumbnail from here, and directly use it, because these are trial and tested thumbnails which are already performing very high on YouTube. So as per my topic is how to learn agentic AI in 2026. So for that I will see one prompt. Let me see. So there is one thumbnail which is coders use this. So I will use prompt of this thumbnail. I'll copy from here. You can see prompt from here, and I'll copy this prompt. Okay, even we can use from here, but I'll just copying it, and I'll go to create tab. Okay, in generate page I'll go to create tab. Okay, this one, and I'll paste that prompt here. Okay, and let me upload my image again. Everything I want same, but on text element I will change the text. Like here text is coders use this, but I will do it how to learn agentic AI. Here I will write in 2026. Okay, and we can even change logos and all from here, but I'm leaving same, and let's see what will be the output. So I'm pressing this generate button. This is tested method to create any viral thumbnail. We can use prompts, ready-made prompts of those thumbnails which are already performing very good on YouTube, and we can use it. And let's see the output. So finally it generated, and see the output. Agentic AI in 2026, use this. Guys, you can see the output. It's amazing. Even we can change logo from there. Within seconds it created a thumbnail which is looking quite amazing. So this is second approach by which you can create thumbnail. As I said earlier, this is not just a tool, this is a complete ecosystem to create any thumbnail. The way any designer approach to create thumbnail, this platform is defined same like that. Okay, so this is another approach. Now let me show you another approach, which is extract prompt. Suppose on YouTube you saw any thumbnail. Let me show you. Like you are surfing with YouTube and you saw any thumbnail which is looking quite beautiful. So suppose this thumbnail is looking quite good. Okay, this one, Cloud one. So I can copy its URL, and we can create a prompt for this same thumbnail, for this same visual. So I copied this URL and I'll paste there. I'll paste here. Even we can upload from our local computer here, but I'm pasting URL here, and I can extract prompt. It will give a well structured prompt by defining every elements of that thumbnail, that visual, and we can use that prompt with our picture, with our text, and we can create thumbnail. Let me show you. So it gave me well structured prompt, okay, to create thumbnail like that I copied from YouTube. So I'll just click on use this prompt. It will automatically bring that prompt here, and what I'll do, I'll just upload my image again. Let's say this one. Again I'm uploading same image, and what I'll do, I'll go to text elements. Okay, it is written Claude. If I want to modify this text, I can do it, but I'm leaving it same, and all this stuff I'm leaving same, and I'm pressing this generate button, and let's see the output. The prompt that it gave for that visual We pasted there and uploaded our own image and creating thumbnail with that prompt. And output will be like same visuals with my picture and my text, but text is same as of now. So you can see the output. It created the same thumbnail with my picture, and you can see the detailing, the output. It's amazing again. I just provided one image. I used that generated prompt, that extracted prompt, and created thumbnail with my picture. And even we can change this text and visuals. It's looking quite pretty and almost same with that image. Let me show you that image. This was the thumbnail, and from that we generated a prompt. And this is the output. So with these multiple approaches, with these multiple methods, you can create any thumbnail out there. This is not just an AI tool. This is a complete ecosystem where you can create any thumbnail for your topic within seconds. You don't need to be so creative. You just have to come, take inspirations, or even you can create or define from your own thoughts, from your own things from scratch, and you can create any thumbnail here within seconds. If you are a creator and you want to create high quality thumbnails with the help of AI without spending tons of time, you should try this platform. So that's it for this video. I'm wrapping up this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure to press that like button, and I'll mention link in the description. From there you can try out. Until next time.